Hey, this is Kayla with Stamping Before Anything Else. I'm excited to share with you that we are doing this really cool class called Fitting Florets. It's featuring the Fitting Florets collection, and so this is a limited time thing that's going on right now. This bundle, the framed florets bundle, is going to be in the next mini catalog, but to celebrate that, we are having this cool class because there's a designer series paper that fits with it, another stamp set, these embellishments. And so with this class, you'll get 2 boxes. And so these are the boxes that you'll make. This is the first one. You can fit whatever kind of candy bars or little tiny candy treats in here. And you'll also make this box, which is actually, if you untie it, and then you can flip open the top to write a little note, and then the box slides open for some more candy treats in here. You'll also be able to make these 4 cards, and you'll get supplies to make 2 of each, so a total of 8 cards here. And I think they're so cute. I love the designer series paper on these. This one folds open like a fun fold easel card. It's just absolutely adorable. So for this class, like I said, you are going to get the bundle. And so I'll show you everything here. You'll get the bundle, which is the framed florets bundle with the stamp set and the matching dies that go with it. The dies, when they're cut out, there's so many combinations that you could use for these, but here's everything that they do. I love them because you can use them for so many different occasions. So you get, like I said, the bundle. You'll get the framed festive stamp set. You'll get a pack of the gold swirls, I think they're called, gold adhesive back swirls. You'll get one of those. And then you're also going to get a whole pack of the 12 by 12 designer series paper. You could see here we have them cut out, all the different color coordinating colors that go with this. It's so great. We're also going to throw in a free bolt of the white crinkle seam binding ribbon, all of the paper products to make all of these projects, and the envelopes. So you're really getting a lot out of this class. Plus, if you and a friend sign up, you'll get a bonus tutorial showing you how to make one of our other cute cards that we're not going to show right now. If you're interested in this class, make sure that you're registering on our blog. You can find the link to that in the description of this video. The class is $104.50 to make all of this. And I want to be very clear that the reason why this class is more on the spendier side is because you are getting everything in product. And so we are just charging the shipping and tax on top of the class. But if you were to get everything together, you're already going to be spending $97.50. So the majority of this class is going to the cost. Just want to be clear on that. This class will be shared via video tutorial showing you the step-by-step process on how to make all the projects that I showed you. Payment is going to be due on October 31st of 2022. That way we can get orders in right away and make sure that we could get this product ordered on November 1st when it goes live. We'll start collecting payment on October 25th. We are expecting to have a 2-week turnaround, and when we do ship, you will get a tracking number so you can see your class on its way to you. If you're watching this video after this class is over but still want to make the projects, don't worry. You can always order our tutorials on our website at stampingbay.com. So make sure that you jump in on this class because you're getting a wonderful deal. Like I said, majority of the cost is going to actual products that you get in your hand, so you don't want to miss out on this. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Our email is nancyandkayla@stampingbay.com. We can't wait to get this class in your hands. Thanks, everyone.